What's up, people? Welcome to the Honey Dijon makeup tutorial. This is Diane from Honey Dijon. Um, Damn. So anyway, I'm wearing contact lenses, as you see, because this is another celebrity-inspired makeup tutorial, and this is about Christina Aguilera. Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here with you. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. As always, before I start anything, I'm going to apply a primer and I'm going to make my eyebrows very upset looking. And I'm gonna use this Got To Be hair gel. Oh my god, I just hit myself. And spoolie to shape my eyebrows before I do anything. You can watch my previous video if you want to see the whole process. Yep, I like it. I'm not so sure how I'm going to approach to this look. This order might be a little bit odd, but let's see. I'm just going to apply nude eyeshadow all over my eyes. Yeah, I'm gonna draw wings. I'm just going to start with the N, and also her line goes a little bit like past her eye corner, and then start there. Wow. Look at this. I'm so bad at this today. It's embarrassing. I'm just making sure those wings are similar angle and lengthwise. I think they are. And for the eyeshadow, right, she definitely uses a lot of cool tone on her eyes to achieve that like Hollywood glam. So I'm gonna use two eyeshadows. This is Cork from MAC and this is Sin from MAC. So I'm going to mix this two and achieve that like grayish brown color in the crease. First I'm going to use like thin smudge brush like this one. And yeah, the end meets the wing. And it actually kind of goes like this. Don't worry about this line being so harsh. We're going to blend it out. And also this is going to meet the eyebrows. So this kind of makeup could be a little bit tricky because every individual have different eye shapes, and you know, like this folded area could be like a little above or a little below. You're gonna need some practice, but have fun with it. Just when you're bored at home, just grab this smudge brush, grab some eyeshadow, and just go crazy. Your face is your canvas, you know. And I'm going to use this Omega eyeshadow. I'm gonna dip my brush a little bit and then blend this out and up. So it could give like a natural gradation to give a little more sharp line. I'm also using pencil brush. I know it looks crazy right now, but please trust the process. From here, I'm just going to use a nude eyeshadow one more time just to clean up the very edge on the top and under my eyebrows. And then we're definitely going to use a concealer to create that like clean cut crease. I'm gonna use this NARS concealer and a concealer brush. Start cutting the crease line. Just above the wing with the same angle to make them parallel as possible. This is not the easiest makeup look, I get it, but still we're just using an eyeshadow so you can fix it. If you did anything wrong, if you don't like the shape of it, you can just correct it with a concealer. Once you like the shape of it, you could just go add like more colors maybe if you want to intensify. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of color just at the edge. I want to use a really thin brush for that, so I'm going to use this eyebrow brush, angle brush, right above the concealer. With a small blending brush. If you don't feel comfortable with like your lids looking too creamy, you can just apply nude eyeshadow on the top of the concealer. And also this could prevent the concealer sit in the crease of your skin. You could use like a beigey, ivory pigment, like, you know, the Starly powder for Makeup Forever. You could just apply that on the lid. Would be very subtle, but you know, the glow. But I actually really like the matte makeup look of Christina Aguilera these days. Like all people, all the beauty influencers talking about glass skin, glow skin. You just wash your face skin, kind of like, I don't know, it's good, it's natural. I like that people are embracing their own natural beauty and that they want to look like healthy and glowy from within, but then also at the same time, like all of them are talking about it. I'm so tired of it. And when I saw Christina Aguilera's like this matte makeup look, I was like, oh my god, I missed this. I kind of missed this. Okay, so I'm going to finish the eyeline. She has a like thick eyeline on the base, but her wing is quite thin. Just gonna do that quickly. And then under the eyes, I'm just going to use that cork eyeshadow. I use a pencil brush. Just going to create a thin line. I'm gonna connect so that there is no gap in between. I'm definitely going to apply eyelashes later, so I might just skip the mascara. So for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the underpainting technique because I love it. If you want more like full makeup, like transition, then go with just regular routine. Apply foundation first and go bronzing and contouring and whatnot. But if you want natural looking, try the underpainting technique. It's nice. So I give a little nose contour as well. I'm gonna use a little bit of color corrector to cover my dark circle. Any favorite songs of Christina Aguilera, you guys? Also the redness. I know I look crazy. My concealer cocktail. I look really insane. Make sure this concealer stays under the line so we can have that snatched look. And then I'm going to use this NARS foundation with this Gucci highlighter as always. When you do the underpainting technique, you don't need a lot of foundation. So And also you don't need like full coverage foundation. That's one thing that I like. I get to save foundation. So yeah, I mix those two and just kind of like blend everything together. Get rid of all the harsh colors or edges. Okay, so from here, if you want to add more contouring, you can do that. Just gonna contour my nose a little bit and my lips, so my lips look fuller, like this. And like that. One thing I would never skip for full makeup or daily makeup, natural makeup, is a bronzer. Especially this Say bronzer. Cannot live without it. It's just a perfect color for me, and it has like good skin benefit ingredients too. If you never try a bronzing cream, try this one. I'm using this before I set the concealer because this has a lot of oily ingredients in it, and you know, I don't want it to like clash with any powder that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use a cream blush, so I'm just going to set the concealer now. The under eye area is always a struggle for me because it's so dry. Like as I gotten older, it's so visibly dry. Like I don't know what to do. That's why I'm like mixing different concealers and setting spray, like create my own concealer cocktail. Is like, man, I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. One thing I started doing differently recently is my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in blonde, and I'm going to use their brush as well. It's number 14. It's really cute, tiny, thin, skinny eyebrow pencil, which is perfect for this type of like pomade thing. Does it make a big difference like from using eyebrow pencil? Not really. The one thing that's good about this is I heard this is waterproof, I believe. So it's more long lasting, I would say. I wanted to try something different, so because I was really tired of like doing my eyebrows. I've never used this type of like cream product for my eyebrows, so. Okay, I'm going to set my whole face with a loose powder, which I don't do normally, but her face was just so flawlessly mattified, so I'm gonna do that. For the T-zone, I'm just going to use that Charlotte Tilbury setting powder to not make this any more difficult. And then I'm going to use this Givenchy loose powder number 2, which is a bit darker than my skin tone actually. So I'm just going to use this on the perimeter of my face so it could give me a little bit more warmth. My face is matte. I haven't seen my face like this for a while. Did my hair to look a little more like Christina, and then also earrings. I'm just going to apply false lashes. This is Ardell Naked Lashes number 423. Yeah, I like it, so I'm gonna use this. I'll be right back. So for the blush, she has this like orangey red blush going on, so I think I'm gonna just go with this deep orangey blush from MAC style, more like on the side of her cheeks, just like Jennifer Lopez, right? I'm gonna bring it up, and I like to do it on my nose. I don't think she has it on her nose, but I like it. So you know what, I need more color, so I'm going to risk it here and try. This is one of my favorite blush, but I don't get to use it a lot because the color is so but I love it. But it's super pigmented, so you have to be really careful. I used this last weekend for a night out with a red liquid lipstick, and it was so pretty. Just gonna blend it out a little bit. I want to use this Laura Mercier Celestial Light, just a little bit on the forehead and next to my nose. I'm also going to use this as a highlighter. For her lips, I think she used like a brownie nude lip pencil to overline her lips a little bit. I'm going to use MAC Strip Down for that. The center part of her lips is pretty nude, just light nude color. I think one of my favorite lipstick from MAC, which is Myth, would be perfect. I'm just gonna kind of mix them together. Like my hair, because of my extension, I can't make it like clean. Okay, so this is the final look. What do you think? You think this is like Christina Aguilera-esque? Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this look, and let me know if you have any questions. If you're struggling with like achieving this look watching my video, please let me know. Let me know if you have any requests, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Come on over, baby. Come on over, baby. Come on over, baby. Baby.